Nakitama Walachipu Yalawe. Great peace to you all. Great understanding. Great day to you all. It is noon in the Midwest, and I wanted to bring this video to you all in great spirits. I was just looking at an interview with Judge Kyra Bolden. She is the Supreme Court Justice for the state of Michigan. I want to talk about basically all Supreme Courts and their duties to us. She was a state rep for a while. I think the last 2-3 years, and she has 6 more years to go as justice. She was elected in there, and she's been a champion for prison reform, domestic violence, and I'm hoping that she gets in there and do something to protect the lands for indigenous people. When you talk about land reform, because she has to hold cases up and also go back into the archives and kind of look at some of the old cases that were decided on and uphold those. So this is our chance to make sure that she does stuff like that. And she's a Democrat, which is kind of ironic, but at the same time, I don't want to be someone who makes a video and is kind of looked at of me supporting the Republican Party or the Democratic Party. I look at her background as far as her origin, her being from Michigan, her being of indigenous background and stuff like that. I think that's important, because you're not going to find someone to do a job that's qualified even better, because we could have got someone in there who could have stripped a lot of the old decided cases. It kind of left us pulling our hamstring, trying to wonder out what's going on. So she's in there right now. I'm doing some research on the cases she's been on and trying to find out what is she championing for actually. What has she done as far as to administer the law? Because cases will come across these desks, because I know Moore's, we're very active in court, and that's what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping that a case comes across her desk and she's able to reverse a decision or something like that, because it's important. I was able to get a case looked at from the district courts, and it was shot down. I was able to go into the Supreme Court judicial dockets, look at some of the other cases, and I found out I didn't have to do what I did. There was already cases there that was actually in good standing that I could use. So when we talk about trying to get land, trying to not only, because a lot of our people are looking for jobs. When you talk about our people looking for jobs, all right, I don't want to interrupt the bird. When we talk about our people trying to get jobs, our people trying to do other things as far as uphold justice on their end, it's important that we actually make sure that these laws stay on the books, because we don't have time to actually sit here and think about how can we change the law, and how can we the laws that are already on the book, they're good, they're already on the book. She can actually help us if we can get enough people to petition what is going on. to get her silence, to get her input, we can actually try to get some of those laws shaved off the Constitution that are like either unclear or just like not important. She can be of help to us. So it's important that we have her in there and that we are able to get some things kind of up and running, because like I wouldn't say that she's our only hope, but she's our only option for right now until we get our government started, because we're actually not supposed to be on these broken lands like trying to administrate courts for like everything that is going on. Like we're supposed to have our own courts, and we're not supposed to be divvying into what the United States has going on. So that's all I want to say in this video, is that she's a good option for now. She understands the issues that we have that's going before us. She understands what is going on, and we have to be recognizant of that, and we have to make sure that she understands that as well. Okay, so you can go back and look at the interview on Detroit Deadline. I was in the chat. I was very active, so you all can go and look back at it and save it for your archives, because it's going to be important in the future when we talk about what is actually going on. So I'll close out right now. I would say to you all, great peace, Yakoki, Meninikin.